latest new coronavirus COVID-19 real-time big data report. The data updated to 2020 February 13, 15:50 p.m. Now the confirmed cases is 59,888 cases. It is 15,000 more than yesterday. That's really a big change. The data because the China had changed the method to diagnose the confirmed cases. Now, if they have the symptoms and they got the CT scan the line, if they saw the case is confirmed by the doctors, then it will report it. Okay, the suspected cases is 16,067 cases, and cured cases is 5,996. Death cases is 1,368 cases. Okay, let's look at the map of the data. So the series province is Hubei province. It had 48,206 confirmed cases. And the second one is Guangdong province. It has 1,241 cases. The number 3 is Henan province, had 1,169 cases. And number 4 is Zhejiang, had 1,145 cases. And Tibet, only 1 cases. And the good news is the people has been cured, so it's have been out of the hospitals. That's good news. Okay, let's look at the national newly diagnosed and suspected trend chart. Okay, we can see the chart. This chart is not updated because today the confirmed cases is going up, and but previous days the trend is going down, and then today is going up. Okay, let's look at the new confirmed cases nationwide, Hubei and non-Hubei province. Okay, so we can see the this orange line is Hubei province, and today it had 14,840 more cases have been confirmed. That's really a big change. The confirmed cases raised a lot. That's not good news. And for other cities, not Hubei, the trend is still going down. That's good. That's good news. Okay, let's look at the data of all the provinces and all the cities in China. So now the most serious province is Hubei, 48,206, and especially Wuhan cities had 32,994 cases. And the deaths in Hubei totally is 1,310, and Hubei is 1,036 deaths. That's really serious. And the other cities is Zhejiang had 2,874, Huanggang had 2,662. Okay, let's look at other provinces. Guangdong province had 1,241, while Henan had 1,169. Zhejiang had 1,145. Other provinces have only less than 1,000 cases. We're not going to go the detail of all the provinces. Okay, let's look at Hong Kong. Hong Kong had 50 confirmed cases, and Taiwan had 18. Macau had 10. Now let's look at other countries' cases. Now in other countries, it totally have 492 confirmed cases and 61 cured cases and 1 death cases. The most serious country is Japan, had 247 cases. That's because of the princess boat. Yeah, that have been now the latest data for the people in the boats had 218 cases confirmed. That's really serious, and still got more people waiting to diagnose. And there is 3,700 people in the boats, and there's another boat. So totally have 7,000 people now is on the seat. That's really not a good news. And Singapore have 50 cases confirmed and three more than yesterday. And Singapore is we need to really worry about these cities because it's a huge cities, and one people from England travel to Singapore and have go back to Europe, and more than 5 cases have been affected by the people who visited Singapore before. And Singapore, nobody wear mask. This is not a good news. And then people still having big events and parties, and that held the virus to outbreak. So we hope Singapore can control the outbreak of the virus and um, control it from spreading to other countries. The number three is Thailand has 33 and Korea had 28. Other countries, we are not going to go to all the details of other countries. Okay, that's the data for today. Thanks for listening. Subscribe our channels and transfer to your friends if you like it. And some, thank you.